In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Bluetooth earphones or earbuds to your Android phone. Let's get into the method. Open the main Settings app first and then tap in the search bar at the top and type in Bluetooth. Tap on the top search result and then you may need to tap on Bluetooth again to get to the correct page. Turn on Bluetooth with the toggle switch if it isn't on already, and now wait a few seconds. Switch your attention to your Bluetooth earphones and you need to get them into pairing mode. The method to do this can differ on each device. On some there will be a pair button, and other devices will require you to hold down the power button for a long time. A light might start flashing indicating that it's pairing. Check online or in the product manual for your device's pairing method if you're not sure. For example, on AirPods, open the case, leave the AirPods in the case, and then hold the button until the light starts flashing white. Back on your phone, find your earphones on the list. They may take a few seconds to show up. If they don't, you may need to tap on Scan or the Pair New Device button. Once you see your device in the Available Devices section, tap on it and wait a few seconds for it to connect. You may need to tap on Pair to confirm the connection. They should now connect, and if you tap on them here, you can change related settings, so check all of these options look correct. You might need to find a Connected Devices section of the settings, so search for this if you can't tap on your earphones here. These settings on your earphones page can differ on each device. This is also where you can disconnect or forget the device if you wanted to. You can now try them out and check they are working. You might now want to head to the sound settings or the audio accessibility settings to change how they sound. That's how to connect Bluetooth earphones or earbuds to your Android phone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.